Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to show you this new PIC Wheel of Fortune that I just created. It's fully adaptable, meaning that you can change things. So I'm going to click on the word pin right here. So I'm going to click on the pin. If I wanted to change it to say anything, just change the lettering now, I could change it to whatever I wanted to, and then I could save it. So I could change all the words within the wheel, or I could just keep it the way that it is. The way that you would make it work, you actually put it into presentation and then click somewhere within where all those colors are, where the multicolors are. You click within the multicolors inside the wheel and it'll spin. And to make it stop, you click with inside the multicolor again and it stops. You have the blinking lights that are just automatic. And if you wanted music, you click on the arrow and it comes on. And to make it stop, you click on the opposite arrow to make it stop. So it's all interchangeable. There are other colors, backgrounds. And so anyway, from either 1 through 12 or A through L, or you can just put anything within the wheel that you want to raffle off. So you can use this for your future functions. So hopefully you can use that, and good luck.